Belly fat is more than just a nuisance that makes your clothing feel tight. Fat inside the belly area is also termed visceral fat, and it is seriously harmful. This type of fat is a major risk for type 2 diabetes and heart disease, to name a few. In this video, we'll show you 5 simple exercises you can do at home to burn that stubborn belly fat. 1. Do static holds, planks. Put your body into the push-up position, but with your elbows on the floor and your whole body flat. This position is also known as the plank, and it trains your core, including your belly, to hold the body in place. Hold this position as long as possible. Beginners should be aiming to start off with at least 45 seconds, while seasoned ab workers are known to achieve over 5-minute static holds. 2. Do an ab roller exercise. Hold the ab roller while kneeling down on the floor. Slowly push the ab roller out away from your body, extending your arms. Go down as far as you can without touching your torso to the ground. Your arms should be well outstretched above your head. Try a barbell ab rollout if you don't have an ab roller. Get into push-up position with your hands on the barbell instead of on the ground. Slowly lift your hips and bring the barbell back towards your legs until your legs are perpendicular to the ground and your glutes are all the way back. Go back down slowly and repeat. 3. Try crunches. Nothing burns belly fat faster than crunches, and here's how you do it. Lie down flat on a mat with your knees bent and your feet on the ground. Alternatively, you can also lift your legs off the floor at a 90-degree angle. Lift your hands and place them behind your head, or keep them crossed on your chest. Inhale deeply, and as you lift your upper torso off the floor, exhale. Inhale again as you get back down, and exhale as you come up. Do this for 10 times as a beginner. Repeat another 2 to 3 sets. 4. Twist crunches. Once you get used to regular crunches, modify the basic crunch to get an even more effective tummy exercise. Lie down on the floor with your hands behind your head. Bend your knees as you would in doing crunches, keeping your feet on the floor. You have to lift your upper torso while performing crunches, but in twist crunches, you have to lift just your right shoulder towards the left, keeping the left side of your torso on the ground. Again, alternately, lift your left shoulder towards the right, keeping the right side of your torso on the ground. Repeat 10 times. And 5. Focus on cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is one of the best ways to lose weight. Studies show that cardiovascular exercise, like walking, jogging, and running, is highly effective at any degree of intensity. That's because cardio exercise works the muscles in your abs, arms, legs, and hips, and increases blood flow to all sets of muscles.